Citroën 2CV is one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, known for its simplicity, practicality, and unmistakable charm. Now, in 2025, Citroën has brought back this legendary vehicle with a modern twist. This is the all-new Citroën 2CV, a car designed for the future while honoring its classic roots. The new 2CV stays true to the original's philosophy, an affordable, lightweight, and highly efficient vehicle. But this time, it embraces modern technology, making it a true competitor in today's automotive market. At first glance, the design captures the essence of the old 2CV, with its rounded shape, distinctive fenders, and minimalist approach. However, Citroën has refined it with sleek LED lighting, aerodynamic improvements, and a fresh take on the classic corrugated bonnet. Under the hood, the new 2CV is powered by a fully electric drivetrain. Citroën has designed it with urban mobility in mind, ensuring it's efficient, practical, and perfect for daily commuting. It offers a range of around 250 miles on a full charge, making it a strong contender in the small EV market. With fast charging capabilities, you can recharge up to 80% in just 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. Inside, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is all about simplicity and comfort. The cabin is spacious despite its compact size, with a clean dashboard featuring a digital display and essential controls. Citroën has opted for sustainable materials, ensuring the interior is both eco-friendly and stylish. The seats remain as comfortable as ever, perfect for long drives through the countryside or quick trips around the city. One of the key features of the new 2CV is its lightweight construction. Weighing significantly less than most modern EVs, it offers excellent efficiency and a fun, nimble driving experience. Citroën has worked hard to keep the cost down, making this one of the most affordable electric vehicles on the market. Safety and technology haven't been overlooked either. The 2CV comes with essential modern features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and a simple yet effective infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. However, Citroën has intentionally avoided overloading it with unnecessary gadgets, keeping the focus on driving enjoyment and practicality. With the revival of the 2CV, Citroën is bringing back the charm of the original in a package that suits today's world. It's a car that embraces minimalism while still offering the essentials of modern driving. Whether you're a fan of the classic 2CV or looking for an affordable and stylish electric car, this could be the perfect choice. Would you consider the new Citroën 2CV for your next car? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on the latest cars.